thing. I think he's a nice guy.
I'm sorry, I'm making this about Jeff.
It's Jeff's. What did you do with Jeff? Where is he?
Never mind that.
Okay.
All I want is room with the view to do,
You know, I have no control over it.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
End of the stick. So there's a polarity to create that balance. You can't have a light without dark. You can't have dark without light. So polarities are really contingent on each other, right? So
like it's just sort of like ethereal.
You would have been cooked, yeah.
I would have been cooked like a lamb, like a dead lamb. You know what I mean? So
This particular time in a pandemic, someone who probably smells just like $1 million.
Okay.
Kim Kardashian
Breaks the horse, hauls ass over to
I believe it's possible, huh? I believe it's possible.
I love coffee shops. I love movie theaters, and
Listen, let me ask you, I got to get on these questions here. There's some more questions.
Oh yeah, you got to do that.
I have a cream golden lab retriever, and come on, John. Let me ask.
So you had basically you had this ethereal, this sort of like disconnected
perception. I got into composing and arranging and
You ready to?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.